Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to completely remove McAfee antivirus from your Windows 11 device. First, go to Start. Click it. Go to Settings, Apps, then Installed Apps. In the search bar, type Mac. Find McAfee Security Scan. Click the three dots and select Uninstall. Also select McAfee Web Advisor and click Uninstall. There. Yes, I want to uninstall. The uninstallation is in progress. You can close this window now. It's reloaded, click Uninstall. After this process, no trace of it will remain. Good luck. See you.